Hey guys, it's Des, and today we're going to show you how to change your advertising settings online at sprint.com/mysprint. Before you start, please make sure you have your login and password information available. First, you'll log into sprint.com/mysprint. Then you'll select the My Account menu at the top right side of the page. Next, select Preferences and scroll down to All About My Account. Select Manage Advertising and Analytics. Then you'll scroll down just a little bit further and you'll select the line you'd like to make the changes to. You'll need to repeat this step for each phone line you'd like to update. You'll then select the Use My Data to make ads more relevant to me button to the off position to opt out. For more information, you can visit tmobile.com/privacycenter. We hope this how-to video has been helpful. Please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and stay tuned for another helpful video coming up next.